Hello guys, it's Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope everyone's doing well tonight. Starting off with a passing gasser. And love the color of this one. Great looking casting. It's Larry Wood 50th anniversary. You can see it's on the very back there, just below the split window. And this is the first 1 out of 10. And why don't we go ahead and go to the next one, guys. Let's see. Next one, 64 Chevelle. This one's a great looking casting. Doesn't have all the graphics and everything on it. Just solid color. '64 Chevelle Malibu. Great looking casting. I love the color on this one. It's like a bluish gray color. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the next one. See, let's go with this one. So, 1970 Chevelle SS. This one's a great looking casting. This is a green light. This one's really nice. Pretty much a stock Chevy Chevelle. It's a great looking casting. It's got a lot of nice detail to it. And here, just a solid color. The graphics and everything on this one as well. Alright, let's one more time around. Go to the next one. Alright, so next one, 3 down, 7 to go. 70 Buick GSX in blue. Great looking color. I love this one. Bring it back a little bit. There we go. It's a little better. Yeah, I love the color on this one. It's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful casting. Yeah, this one's really nice. I have like 3 or 4 different Buick GSXs. Got the FTE wheels on it. Not much tampo work front or back. But you sure beautiful casting though. Alright, next one guys. 4 down, 6 to go. Let's go with the Roger Dodger. This is also from the Larry Wood's 50th anniversary. Behind the rear tire there, you can see the logo. This one was the Larry Wood's 50th anniversary for 50 years with Mattel, or Mattel Hot Wheels, that is. And put a 10-car set out, which I was lucky enough to grab all 10. And I like this Roger Dodger. It's pretty nice. Pearl white color. Alright, let's go to the next one, guys. 5 down, 5 to go. And a Plymouth Duster. Redline edition. Actually, from the Hot Wheels Classics. I like this one. Love the color. A lot of nice detail to it. Not so much in the front though, but it does have the brake lights in the back. Yeah, this one's a real nice yellow color. Alright, let's go next one, guys. 6 down, 4 to go. Next one, 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Yeah, this one's a gorgeous looking casting. It's got the Mr. Gasket logo on there, on the roof and the doors. This one's got more of a classic look as well. It doesn't have all the... I mean, really, I love the rims on this. It makes it look real nice. A lot of nice detail to it. I think the hood does open. Let's see here. Nope, thought it did. That's okay. And that's gonna be it on this one. Alright, let's go next one. 3 left. Next one. Is that 1970? Yeah, 1970 Dodge Charger. And this is the ID car. That's actually the ones that were on the pegs, not the ones in the box. Love this one. It's so great looking. I love the colors. Not the FTE wheels. This one really stands out. The colors really make up this car. Real nice looking Dodge Charger. Okay, let's go to the last 2. Almost at 8 minutes. Let's go with the Camaro, 69 Chevy Camaro. This one's gorgeous. Yeah, this one's real nice casting. I like this one a lot. This one's beautiful. A lot of detail on this, definitely. Love the yellow color. Okay, let's go. Last one, guys. Last one for the night. 1971 Hemi Cuda. This one's gorgeous. I love the color. Real nice casting. It's a green light and a lot of detail on this. It's one of the nicer ones I have out of the green lights that I have in my collection. Alright guys, that's the last car for the night. Hope you guys are well. Tomorrow's Easter, so happy Easter to each and every one of you. Thanks for supporting my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. And please subscribe. Guys, take care of yourselves. Be good to each other. Be well. And be safe out there, guys. It's Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.